Hello, dear viewer. This is Edu Star Food Journey bringing to you once again an important lesson on our daily commonly mispronounced words series. This is the part 9 of our series. Today we shall study very important words in pronunciation, and these are termed sound comparison. We say related spelling pronunciation, as can be seen on this slide. We have the first one down to number 10. And first of all, I would like you to make an attempt on pronouncing each of these words. Then take note of your pronunciation. If you can write down your IPA pronunciation, good. And then you keep that aside as you follow and watch how we pronounce the words correctly, both their IPA transcriptions and their right pronunciations in the next slide. Please, if you were able to get each of the pronunciations, I want you to let me know in the comment section by typing, I got it all. If not, you still type the one you were able to get, or the one, and let me know the ones you were not able to get anyway. We continue. Before ever continuing with the main lesson, ensure you carry out this exercise of personal pronunciation attempt. Then keep a list of your pronunciation attempts beside you and learn how each of the words is correctly pronounced. This is a typing error. Which word was most difficult for you to pronounce? Write that word in the comment. Okay, we come to the IPA transcriptions as well as the pronunciations. Note, we are studying related spelling pronunciation, that is sound comparison. Number 1 is bath in the UK pronunciation, that is British English. We have bath, long R sound. But in the US English, that is American English, we have bath. That is short R sound. You can see the two transcriptions here. Long R sound and the short R sound. Bath and bath. As in man. When you pronounce man, you lift that short R sound from man and place it between the B sound and the th sound, and you have bath. That is for the US pronunciation. Then in the UK pronunciation, we just lift the long R sound as in part or mark or some, and we place it between the B sound and the th sound. We have bath. Either case, the pronunciation is correct. Okay, number 2 is portable. 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 You can see the transcription as per sound, O sound, to sound, silent R sound, which is the short sound, B sound, and the L sound. So when we combine them, we have portable. Portable. UK pronunciation, but the American pronunciation is portable. O, but British is pow, that is O, as in so. Then American pronunciation as in so. You can see the difference. O sound, the way the Americans transcribe, and the T sound, and the SWA sound, and the B sound, and the L sound, giving us portable. In the UK pronunciation is portable. You can see that. So that is it. Number 3 is portable. 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 UK transcription. American transcription includes the sound. Number 4 is portion. Number 5 is portion. You can see the transcriptions. In the number 4, we have O sound. In the number 5, we have long O sound. O sound is a diphthong, while long O sound is a monophthong. Next is number 6 versus number 7, which are number 6, we have exhort, exhort, exhort. Number 7, we have exhaust, exhaust. Difference being sound in exhaust and in exhort no sound. So that should be noted. Numbers 8 and 9, we have potent, potent, potent. Number 9, we have portent, 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 portent. So in the number 9 particularly, we have long O sound after the P sound, and then to sound, short A sound, N sound, and to sound. So giving us potent. While in number 8 we have potent, 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 which we transcribe as P sound, O sound, which is a diphthong, to sound, N sound, and to sound. Potent. Okay, number 10 is connected to number 1, which we spell as P-A-T-H-E, pronounced as bathe, 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 bathe. Transcribed as B sound, A sound, and the sound, the sound, the, not the, not the, not the, but the. So I would like you to pronounce with me, bathe, bathe. Now say bathe. Again, bathe. And that's okay. So let's continue with the next slide. Now that you've learned it, be your own teacher by correcting yourself. Let me know the words you got right in the comment section. I want you to let me know the words you got right in the comment section. Full analysis, we have the comparison in earnest. The first part of this study here is bath, or you say bath, stroke bathe. In bath, that is the UK pronunciation, it's a noun. Example, take a bath, take a bath. Bathe is a verb. Example, he bathed the baby. He bathed the baby. Common Nigerian misuse. Most Nigerians misplace or combine the two words in their pronunciations, especially when they want to pronounce bath. They call it bathe. It's wrong. Bath pronounced as bathe is wrong. The right way is to note that the TH in both spellings is pronounced differently in each of the spellings or in each of the words. When you come to BATH, it is the sound, voiceless, the sound, voiceless. It is not voiced, you know what I mean by that. Then when you come to bathe, it is the voice, the sound, the. The other one is th. This one is the. The other one is th. That should be noted. So key difference, as we have stated, is TH in both words. Another is still A and A sound. So R in bath, A in bathe. Next is potable versus portable. Potable, the meaning is safe to drink. It refers mostly to water, safe to drink. Portable is easy to carry. Portable is easy to carry. Misuse. Nigerians often use portable when they mean potable. That should be taken note of. Key letter focus is O. O sound change and context. You can see in the words portable. Portable is pronounced O, O, not O sound, not long O sound. But portable is pronounced with long O sound and not O sound. So when you mean safe to drink, call it potable. Use O sound and not O sound. When you mean easy to carry, you use long O sound or O sound, which is portable. That should be taken note of. In the next slide, which is this, we have portion and portion. Portion and portion. So O sound versus O sound. Portion is a diphthong. That is, O sound is a diphthong, while O sound is a monophthong. So the first one, which is portion, refers to magical liquid, a liquid with magic powers. Then next, which is portion, refers to a part or share of something. A part or share. Portion, that is long O sound. Common confusion is mispronunciation and mixing in context. So people mispronounce the word portion. Most of the people that use the word, especially in Nigeria, when they want to pronounce the word portion, what they actually call is portion. Portion, which is very wrong. You should take note of this mispronunciation. Grammar tip. We have portion is uncountable, while portion is countable. Portion is uncountable, while portion is countable. Please take note of each of these points that have been raised right here in our analysis. Next is exhort versus exhaust. Exhort and exhaust. Exhort, spelled as E-X-H-O-R-T, pronounced as exhort, strongly encourage, that is the meaning. While the next, which is exhaust, is spelled as E-X-H-A-U-S-T. E-X-H-A-U-S-T, pronounced as exhaust, meaning is tire out or emission. So you can see that in both pronunciations, we have a link, a connection in pronunciation, but they are not exactly the same, because in the second pronunciation, we have a sound attached to it, whereas in the first, there is no sound, creating a big difference in the two pronunciations. That should be taken note of. So misuse is pronounced the same or used interchangeably. The two words are not meant to be used interchangeably. Neither are they meant to be pronounced the same way, because they are neither spelled the same way nor pronounced the same way. And they neither mean the same nor have exact connection grammatically. So if you look at both words, you can see that strongly, the first one refers to strongly encourage, while the second one refers to tire out or emission. You can see there is a great difference between the two words in spelling, pronunciation, and meaning. So they are not connected at all. Key letters. Final T sound versus ST sound. Or you say final T versus ST, which we call T sound and S and T sound. That is when we come to sound analysis. Okay, the last batch of it, that is the comparison under the section of pronunciation, is potent and potent. Potent and potent. Okay, the meaning of the word potent is powerful or effective. Powerful or effective. While potent refers to a sign or warning or something like an omen, whatever the case. So a sign or warning. Nigerian error, wrong stress or same pronunciation. Most Nigerians pronounce the word potent as potent. So note that in the word that means powerful, that has to do with the spelling of P-O-T-E-N-T, you know that the right pronunciation is potent, not potent. Potent, not potent. That should be noted. So we have the O sound in potent, while the O sound in potent, 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 potent. So note that very clearly. Okay, we have already stated that Nigerians mispronounce the words the same way by pronouncing the words as potent. We've stated that, so we go to difference maker, which is first syllable vowel, and meaning context. First syllable vowel and meaning context. You look at the first syllable vowel, that is po and po. In the first word, we have po. In the second word, we have po. So we also have meaning in connection with the words. The two words do not mean the same. They are not spelled exactly the same, but they are spelled in a similar way. So that should be taken note of. Potent is spelled P-O-T-E-N-T, while potent is spelled P-O-R-T-E-N-T. You can see the two spellings and the two pronunciations in here. All right, we are going to turn to quick recap. We recap what we've studied right on this topic. We have word, correct IPA, misuse, key difference. Word, correct IPA, misuse, and key difference. First is bath versus bathe. TH is the main difference. TH sound in either case. So you can see th and the. TH producing th in bath and the in bathe. Okay, portable. Portable. You can see po and portable. You can see pour, long O sound, and O sound. O sound in the first one, long O sound in the second. Vowel and meaning, that is the difference. Vowel sound, and meaning, that's the difference. Next is portion. Portion, while the other one that is compared with is portion. O sound. This O, the sound that O produces, or the vowel O produces in either word. So you can see in each of the words, you can see portion. In the first one, P-O-T-I-O-N, we have the pronunciation as potion, while in P-O-R-T-I-O-N, we have portion. Next is potent, potent, and potent. That is vowel and context. That is the difference between the two words. Okay, which of these words surprised you the most? Drop your answer in the comment. Please like, comment, subscribe to Edu Star Food Journey for more of these lessons. We are together on this journey. Okay, grammar point. We now get to grammar point on today's study. Let's look at the first line of words, which are bath and bathe. Bath and bathe. Bath is a noun, to take a bath. Bathe is a verb, to wash or immerse. That is meaning. Okay, difference, voiceless th, as we stated before, and voiced the. Note th in the first one, that is for noun, and the in the second one for verb. I want to draw your mind to another set of words like this, which are cloth and clothe. When you say cloth, it's a noun. Cloth, C-L-O-T-H, pronounced as cloth. It's a noun. But when you say clothe, it's a verb. Note it, clothe, spelled as C-L-O-T-H-E. Clothe, 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 a verb. But cloth is a noun. So that is something similar to the study of bath and bathe. Note that. Why do we say cloth? And in the other one we have clothe. Because in the first one, there is no vowel that precedes the word, the TH letters. But in clothe, there is a vowel sound, a vowel, which is the E after THE. So producing clothe, the sound, instead of the sound. Common misuse. He went to bathe. He went to bathe. He went to bathe. Said as he went to bath. He went to bathe. Said as he went to bath. Potable versus portable. Potable, safe to drink. Portable, easy to carry. Difference, sound and meaning. Nigerians often say portable water instead of potable water. Exhort versus exhaust. Exhort, to strongly encourage. Exhaust, to drain energy or emission system. Mistake, overlapping spelling, wrongly pronounced. Next is potent versus potent. Potent, powerful, strong. Potent, sign, omen. Wrong use, confusing the pronunciation and meanings. Potion versus portion. Potion, magical liquid. Portion, part of something. Okay, let's learn and grow together, one word at a time. So at this juncture, we are bringing our lesson to a close. Note, next episode, final part of the pronunciation series. Get ready for smart grammar in 10 steps. Keep learning, keep growing at Edu Star Food Journey. Now, engagement prompt. As I asked before, which of these words surprised you most? Tell us in the comment. Like the video, subscribe to Edu Star Food Journey. Share with friends. Let's spread correct English pronunciation. So, for closure, thank you very much for watching. Thank you for learning with us. And stick to this channel. It's where you will get greatly informed on how you pronounce words correctly and get the greatest tips on grammar and how you speak great and wonderful English. Next up, smart grammar in 10 steps. Keep watching, keep growing, only on Edu Star Food Journey. See you next time. That's okay for today.